As home workshops, DIY metalwork, and hobby-level fabrication gain popularity, the demand for portable bandsaws is increasing. Enthusiasts and professionals alike appreciate how a good portable bandsaw can quickly handle metal, plastic, or pipe, offering power and precision in a compact form.
List number 1. Vevor Portable Bandsaw. The Vevor Portable Bandsaw with a 110-volt motor and removable alloy steel base is one of the most versatile and powerful tools in this roundup. Thanks to its 10-amp or roughly 1100-watt motor, it delivers strong cutting power, enough to slice through metal pipes, angle iron, aluminum, PVC, and other materials with relative ease. One of the saw's biggest strengths is its cutting capacity. With the base removed, it can handle round stock up to 5 inches, and even with the base on, it still manages large pieces, roughly 3.9 inches round or comparable rectangular stock. The removable steel base also allows you to cut at various angles, from 0 degrees up to 45 degrees or 90 degrees, which is great for versatility on job sites or in a garage setup. In terms of design, the saw is reasonably ergonomic. A soft grip handle and a balanced frame help keep control during cutting. The variable speed capability, speed range roughly 137.8 to 472.4 feet per minute, offers flexibility depending on material hardness and thickness, metal or PVC for example. Some trade-offs. Because it's a corded, fairly powerful saw with a robust base, it tends to be heavier than lightweight portable saws, which may increase user fatigue over extended jobs. Also, while the saw is versatile, some heavy-duty tasks, very thick steel plates, or prolonged heavy use might challenge the blade or require blade upgrades.
List number 2. Wen Portable Bandsaw for Metal. The Wen Portable Bandsaw for Metal is a well-rounded, budget-friendly choice that balances portability, cutting capacity, and ease of use. It's built with a 10-amp corded motor, suitable for metal, plastic, and some wood. And it offers a cutting capacity of up to 5 inches wide and deep, substantial for a handheld saw. One of the biggest advantages of this Wen saw is its combination of power and portability. At about 14.5 pounds, it's quite light compared with heavier base-equipped saws, helping reduce fatigue if you move around or work overhead. It also features variable blade speed, approximately 60 to 420 feet per minute, so you can adjust depending on whether you're cutting metal, PVC, or other materials, helpful for cleaner cuts and extended blade life. The saw includes ball-bearing blade guides for smoother operation and better blade tracking, essential for accurate, burr-free cuts, especially when working with metal. The ergonomics are good too. An auxiliary or adjustable front handle helps with control, particularly for angled or awkward cuts.
List number 3. Vevor Portable Bandsaw, 5-inch cutting capacity corded. This second Vevor model, 5-inch cutting capacity corded, shares many of the strengths of the 110-volt base-equipped version, but here the emphasis is on portability and straightforward deep cut performance. With a 10-amp motor and blade designed for continuous spark-free cutting, this saw is geared toward metalwork, PVC, and steel pipe or bar cutting. The 5-inch cutting capacity makes it capable of handling substantial stock, enough for many workshop or job site needs without needing a large stationary saw. Its ergonomic design, including a well-balanced handle, soft grip, and comfortable hold, helps reduce operator fatigue during repeated or longer cuts. In addition, its variable speed operation and decent motor power give flexibility. You can tailor the cutting speed according to the material, slower for hard metals, faster for softer materials or PVC, ensuring smoother cuts and prolonging blade life.
List number 4. DeWalt 20-volt Max Bandsaw, 5-inch cutting capacity. The DeWalt 20-volt Max Bandsaw brings the convenience of a cordless, brushless motor portable bandsaw to the table. Ideal for those who prioritize mobility, ease of use, and flexibility across varied job sites. With a 5-inch cutting capacity, this saw handles moderately large stock, suitable for metal conduits, pipes, or structural work typical in fabrication or maintenance tasks. The brushless motor improves durability and runtime efficiency over older motor types, which is a significant advantage if you're cutting multiple pieces or working intermittently across various locations. A standout convenience. It offers toolless blade changes, handy for quickly switching blades when moving from metal to plastic or other materials. It also includes an LED work light, helpful in dim or confined workspaces, and a built-in hang hook for easy storage on the job site. Because it's cordless, you get real freedom of movement. No need for extension cords or constant proximity to power outlets. This makes it especially valuable for fieldwork, plumbing, maintenance, or anywhere mobility matters.
List number 5. Handheld portable bandsaw with upgraded removable alloy steel base. The Handheld portable bandsaw is a strong contender in the portable bandsaw category, offering a balance of affordability, functionality, power, and flexibility. According to available reviews of similar Handheld models, it handles a broad range of materials, including steel, iron, copper, aluminum, PVC, and more. One of its strengths is its adjustable base and swivel cutting angles, useful when you're cutting pipes or angled metals. Ergonomic grip handles make it comfortable for extended use, which is important when doing multiple cuts or working on longer projects. The saw's motor offers enough power for everyday fabrication, metalwork, plumbing, or home workshop tasks. For small to medium-sized metal stock, rebar, conduit, pipe, angle iron, the Handheld saw is often described as nimble yet sturdy. In terms of value, Handheld tends to be more budget-friendly than premium brands, which makes it especially appealing for hobbyists, small shops, or occasional use. The trade-off, of course, can be in raw power, heavy-duty performance longevity, or top-tier ergonomics. So for heavy industrial-grade cutting, be aware of its limits.